Alright guys, today we are looking at changing the graph from pre-image to image and determining how the graph changed. So identify the transformation that changes the graph from this pre-image to the image. So our pre-image here is in blue and our image is in red. So really the result of this is going to be, if you don't see that it's reflected, we just want to know how far left or right did it go, how far up or down did it go. I think the easiest thing to do is to take a peek at the original asymptote. So if we're talking left and right first, we said the pre-image is in blue. We started at x equals 1, and then the image is in red. We moved to x equals 0. So you can also look at this point here. Here's 0, -2, and here's -1, 0. So how far left did we move? It looks like we moved left 1. And then how far up or down did we move? Again, pre-image is in blue. That's the first point. So I'm at y equals 0. And then the red for the image is at y equals 2. So I have moved up 2. That's all you have to do on this. So left 1, up 2. All right, looking at this next one. It looks like the asymptotes aren't as visible on here. So if I look at the points this time, I'm at -6, -4 for the pre-image, and I'm at 2, 0 for the image. So from -6 to +2, I move to the right 8, and from -4 up to 0, I moved up 4. Again, that's all you had to do. All right, this time we don't have graphs, we just have some equations. So our pre-image is 3 over x minus 7 plus 5. Our image is -3 over x plus 5 minus 4. Well, one thing I noticed is 3 to -3. That means we reflected. But also, our asymptote was at x equals 7 and y equals 5. Our asymptote on the image is x equals -5 and y equals -4. So how did I get from +7 to -5? We moved left 12. And how did I get from +5 to -4? We moved down 9. All right, and then example 4, pre-image to image. I noticed that the 1 turned into a 2. That tells me a vertical stretch of 2. So I'm looking at the numerator there. And then I see that I have x equals -1 and y equals 0 for my asymptotes, and then I see x equals -8 and y equals 3. So I moved from -1 to -8. So I moved left 7, and then 0 to 3, I moved up 3. Alright guys, that's it for today's notes. Very short. If you have any questions about what we talked about in this video, come in and see me. Otherwise, I'll see you in class.